All Indian sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone, today's news is brought to you by Abdul Nafi of Grade X Jasper. International news. India's Russian oil purchase funds Ukraine war, claims Trump advisor. National news. The Central has proposed an ambitious reform to the goods and service tax regime. Thank you.
A very warm morning to everyone who all are present here. I am Joel from Grade X Jasper, brought you state and sport news. Government will consider extending Bangalore Metro's yellow line till Jigani says.
Happy morning everyone. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Ashwita of Grade X Jasper. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Precipitation 20%. Humidity 67%. Wind at 21 kilometers per hour. Mostly cloudy. Thank you. Have a short day.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Amulya. I am from 10 Jasper. Today's thought. The biggest adventure you can take in your life is to live the dreams of your life. I repeat once again. The biggest adventure you can take in your life is to live the dreams of your life. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Nityasri from Grade X Jasper. Today's word, indubitably. It means without a doubt. It is an adjective. Friends, please spell off for me. I-N D-U-B-I-T-A D-L-Y. It means without a doubt. Thank you.
Today's book review is brought to you by Hermeneutic from 10th Jasper. In our daily life, we have seen so many life stories. Either it is written by themselves or by others. If it is written by themselves, it is called as an autobiography. If it is written by others, it is called as a biography. Do you know who is the missile man of our India? Yes, the missile man of our India is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ignited Minds, The Wings of Fire is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. The full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji is Abul Fakir Jainal Abdin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 and died on 27 July 2015. The book says about his life, highlighting his struggles, perseverance and determination towards his goals. The book has got positive reviews for its inspiring story and provoking theme. And some parts of the book was even printed in textbooks. For example, we can take from grade 7. In Telugu textbook, we are having Prerana chapter, and from 9th class, we are having childhood. It gave a positive impact on students and the society of India. And he is also our former president. So, I would like to conclude that books gives us knowledge, and The Wings of Fire is an inspiring book. It may not give all the knowledge, but it can give the pathway to the knowledge. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Sudhakar of Grade X Jasper. I am here to say some abbreviations. CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, NCERT, National Council of Education, Research and Training, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, NDA, National Defence Academy, NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, IAS, Indian Administrative Service, IPS, Indian Police Service. Thank you.
A very delightful morning to everyone. I am MD Munijin from Grade X Jasper, brought you speak on how to lead the life. We all have got a precious gift from the God, that is life. God has given us a chance to prove ourselves.
But today we all are in the state of unconsciousness where we doesn't know how our life is going to be. What you do today reflects tomorrow. Have you ever thought how you want to lead your life? If yes, then just get back to yourself and see what you have done these many days and how much progress you have taken towards the life which you want to lead. Life is not just about achieving the goal, it's about enriching the qualities where the goal itself comes to you. A person is not determined by the quantity, but he is determined by the quality. Quantity can be lost at any time, but the quality which you gain cannot be lost and can take you to the peak level. The quality what I am speaking here is about the state of consistency, discipline, hard work, thinking, intellectual, perseverance. And today I am giving you a message. The one who understands it and tries to bring the change is also one of the quality which you need to enrich. Remember, billionaires are not born as a billionaire. They were just born as an ordinary person. But the quality which they enriched made them to become the billionaire. That is the power of quality. So do not run behind the quantity, run behind the quality where you get a lot of quantity. So everyone enrich the quality in your life and lead the life which you want. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, Y. Balasanath Reddy of Grade X Jasper, here to ask you some GK questions. Question for grade 7. In which state of India Bohi festival is celebrated? No, you didn't pick the correct answer, and the answer is Assam. Question for grade 8. In which state of India Hobul festival is celebrated? Nagaland. Question for grade 9. Which is the highest peak in India? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 10. How many tiger reserves are there in India? I'll repeat it again. How many tiger reserves are there in India?
55.
Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is 58 tiger reserves. Let us appreciate them. Open question. Which state of India has largest mangrove forest? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is West Bengal. Let us appreciate him. Thank you.